Now we are checking how we can arrange the trees in this particular plane. Okay, so for that, what I'm doing, I just selected this plane and I will go to this property for now, and let me remove this for now. Okay, let me remove the particle system. Then if I hit tab, okay, I'm going to edit mode and right click. I will add few subdivision. So let me add few subdivisions here. Okay, and what I will do, I will hit 1 so that I will go to vertex mode. Right now, in order to arrange the trees wherever you want, you should give the vertex group. Okay, so how we can create the vertex group? So in order to create the vertex group, we have a data panel here. You can see vertex groups, so you can create the vertex group from here. So right now I just created the group, but group has nothing. So if you want to give something to the group, I can give. So let me select like this, and what I will do, I will hit assign. Okay, so these vertices, whatever selected, it is assigned to this group. Now if you want to confirm it, you can just unselect and you can hit select here, and you can create multiple groups. So this is a group, and this is one more group, group 001. And what I will do, I will select this place, these vertices, and I will hit assign. Okay, now you can confirm like this group has these vertices and this group has these vertices. So let me select this one, and if I select this, I will deselect for first time, otherwise it will show both. I just selected the group, and if I hit select here, these are the points. Now if you want to remove few, so I will select this, and if you want to remove these vertices from the group, then I can remove. Okay, now if you check again, see these parts are removed. Okay, so this is how the vertex group are working. Now what I will do, I have this group. You can see the shape, how exactly it is. Now I will hit tab again, and I will go to particles, and let me add the particles, and I will select here. Now what I will do, I will come below, and you can see the vertex group here. And this vertex group, we can assign it to different option. So what I will do right now, I will select the group for density. If I click this one, you can see, so the group has the vertices, right? Only those places I have the hairs, and other places I don't have. And what I will do right now, I will go here, and I will go to render. Let me change it to object, and I will select this object. I can see the trees are arranged here, and I will click object rotation. I can see only these places I have. And same way, if I remove this and I will add a group 001, and you can see only this place I have the trees. So this is how it is working. So wherever you want, there you can give vertex group and you can assign it. Fine, this is one way, and you have one more way, that is like weight paint. So how exactly it is working, I will show you. So you can see right now I selected group 001, and what I will do, I will go to weight paint here. So at that time you can see this place has a red color, and let me go here, and I will just disable this one from real time. Okay, now you can clearly see the colors. Okay, so at the center it is red, and you have yellow, green, then blue. Okay, so basically this is a gradient which indicates the weight. Okay, now at the top you can see it is mentioned weight. So weight is 1, and radius is 50 px, and strength is 1. Now as you can see the weight is 1. If I try to draw here, you can see it is showing the red color, right? Now you can give here also. Fine. So basically if you want to reduce the weight, you can reduce it. At that time we won't get a red color. It will be like somewhere on green itself. If I try, it will give only green. And if you want to remove this weight, then you can go for 0. Then you can remove the weight here. Okay, and I can remove it from here also. So this is what the weight is. What will happen if I give the weight? Let me enable this one for now. You can see wherever I have that red color, there I have good density, and wherever that green places are there I have very less. Okay, and if you want to increase the radius, you can increase it here. Weight is 0. Let me make it 1, and you can see at this particular place I got the tree. Okay, and let me disable for now. And there is one more thing. Let me decrease the radius. There is one more thing called as strength. What is this strength? Let me completely remove everything for now. Okay, now I will keep 1, and strength I will make it to 0.5. Now if you try to draw once, it will show green, and again if you do, it will be turned into yellow. Again you try, it will be red. Again it will be red, like that. So basically the strength of this weight is reduced. Okay, so you have to draw it a lot of time, then only you will get this red. So if you try only once, then it will be less density, then again like that. Okay, so this is a strength. And if you keep this weight as 0.5, okay, if you try to draw it anytime, it will be only 0.5. so up to 0.5 it will be given. That is what the strength is. Basically what weight you kept, based on that it will work. Okay, so I just kept 0.5. till 0.5 you can give. So that is the strength. Okay, and let me keep weight as 1 and radius as less, or let me keep weight as 0, radius as more. Let me remove everything for now. Okay, and radius I will reduce like this, and weight I will increase, strength also I increased. So if I draw, you can see, and I will enable this particles we are getting here. What I will do instead, I will go to this data panel and I will remove, and I will remove everything. Now we can do one more thing. See, right now I am here in weight paint. The vertex group is not selected. If I just draw here, so what I will do, I will increase the weight, and if I draw here, you can see a group is created here, right? So let me remove, and if I just draw, the group is created. Okay, and if you want to create one more group, at that time you can create a new group. Okay, I will hit plus, then I will create Z. Okay, I will create one more. I will create as Y. Okay, now what will happen, these 3 groups are created. I will go to particle system, and here on the density I will select group first. At that time you can see at this particular place it is there, and if I change it to group 01, it is on Z, and if I change it to group 02, then it is Y. Okay, so this is how it is working. Okay, now there is one more thing, like for example, what I will do right now, I will go to object mode and I will create new plane, shift A, mesh a plane, and I will hit G and Z. I will get it up, then I will make it bigger by hitting S. Okay, now what I will do, I will go to weight paint, and if I try to draw it, you can see it is not giving any color. But if I try to give the color here, you can see it is giving the color. Now you might have got why exactly it is happening, because this plane has only 4 vertices. So the colors it will apply only on vertex level. Okay, so you should have vertex, then only it will apply. So then what should I do in order to paint at the center? I can do one thing. I will go to edit mode, right click, I will add subdivisions. Okay, I just added the subdivisions. Now I added 10 cuts, then I will hit tab. I will go to weight paint. Now if I try, let me reduce it to 0. You can see I can control it more efficiently. So this is how it is. Okay, weight paint is not working, then you just check the vertices level. At that time you will get to know. Fine. So by this way you can arrange your world or particle system, hair particle system very efficiently.